Hi everybody, this is Nora. Today's review is going to be on a nail art brush from Banggood.com. Here's the item number right here, but I will have a link down in the description bar below so you guys can go check them out. They come in different colors and different types of shaped bristles, if that's how I may describe it. Let me go ahead and, so this is how it came packaged, just in this little plastic bag right here. And as you can see, the bristles came protected by this little hard plastic. And this is one. Let me go ahead and remove this plastic right here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed the plastic, and as I was starting to say, so this is one of those brushes that come, you can take them off like this, and they come with their own protective case right here. I do like that. Let me show you how that goes. And you just close them like that. I really like that about these type of brushes. Now this type of brush, so this one I can tell it's a very light, so it's not that high end of like one of those heavy duty ones. So I think for the price this one's good. So the casing is very light, but it's beautifully decorated with these crystals and the stones, and this color, they come in different colors. This is the color that I chose. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a muted lilac, purplish, mauve color. It's very pretty. So just a neutral color. And let me go ahead, and so you saw the shape of this one. And yes, the bristles, remember that at first there, I think they will go loose if I kind of spray them with alcohol or something. But here's the shape. Now I want these, so this nail art brush, I wanted one in this shape so I can work with my 3D gels and creating a flower. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the test and then let you guys know how well it works. Okay, so what I have here is just a test nail tip that I have, one that I have been using with the neon powders just the other day, and my 3D gel. I have not used this, and by the way, this 3D gel, I got this from Banggood.com for a few years, at least 2 to 3 years ago. But yes, so of course the white one, I have several colors. The white one's the one that I've used the most. So this, I first start out by scooping some of the gel out with my orange wood stick. Depending on the type of design that you do, it's the amount of gel that you will use. And I do have some alcohol here in this little bottle. I do have some tutorials on how I go about creating flowers with 3D gels, and I will link that below if you guys are interested. So these bristles, I got them wet with alcohol, but I find them okay, so they're not too stiff and not too soft. So let's see how well I do with this brush. And I like how the bristles are working. I do like how my brush is working. That feels really good. And I'm gonna, let's see. And so when you work with gel, unlike acrylic, you will use, yeah, I like this. So, ooh, that's working really well. So you use alcohol to control the softness of the gel. So you don't want to start out with too much. Get a feel for it and see. I do like how this is working. Yes. I know it's not taking much of any kind of shape right now, guys, but I'm only getting a feel for how the bristles work, how good they are to manage. Yeah, I wasn't sure how well these bristles were gonna work. I do like that. Okay, so I am playing around here with this brush, and oh, maybe instead of a flower I'll just make a heart. I am getting a good feel for how well this brush works and how I like the bristles. Okay guys, so here's my little heart, 3D heart that I did using this new brush from Banggood.com. I went ahead and cured it and put top coat in it. So yeah, I will say I will totally recommend this, guys, this brush. And they, like I said, they do have others of other shapes, the bristles and other shapes. These bristles, they feel really good. So as you can see, I mean, they kind of, if I make them flat, they have that oval shape, but they also took that pointy, see that pointy shape for working with 3D gels. And this will probably, I don't know, I'm not an acrylic person. I do not work with acrylics at all, so I don't know how well this will work with acrylics, but I'm very happy with it that I got it to work with my 3D gels. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Banggood.com for sending me this brush to play with and review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.